May pips be upon you. Um, I wanted to give an update. Like I told you, at the time of the publishing of my last video, price was just breaking through this descending channel, and it broke the daily order block here. Okay, and I said in the video that if price does manage to break through here, if it decided to break through here, and there was a sense that that was a possibility. Uh, I said it still had the daily order block here to deal with. We can see how those were made on the daily time frame. This engulfing here is very strong. This one, not as much. Just by the look of it, you can see that it was tested here, and then it came through. All right. This order block was untested. So I am looking for the drop from here. I am. You can see over here to the left side, there's some rejections from this area, and it just so happens to be on the same line where price is finding itself rejecting now, like it was here, like it was here. All right, this is an interesting line of resistance and support, because it was support here for these candles, right? Rejecting here, rejecting up, finding resistance there, all the way over. This is a very pivotal area. This is a pivotal key level of support and resistance. Very strong. So we go down to the 4-hour. I start to look for order blocks inside of order blocks from the higher time frames, and then I look for uh, uh, lower ones, but I refine them. I go from the daily and I look here and I see, okay, we have an order block on the 4-hour. So instead of me drawing another box and everything, I just drew a line and labeled it. Okay. So this is a supply zone, a daily supply zone with a 4-hour supply zone inside of it or embedded, and it strengthens the order block. Also, and it also strengthens the probability that price will reject from here. All right. Um, there was something else I wanted to say. Doggone it. I lost it. Okay. I lost it that quick because I'm getting ready to go to bed. Now on the 1-hour, all right. I don't go too much lower than the 1-hour when I'm looking to the order blocks. I go to the lower time frames, the micro time frames, to look for entries. And yes, I do use order blocks, but the order blocks are within the order blocks. But I'm looking when I start to see the rejection in an order block or at an order block. That's when I go down to the lower ones, so I can see how price is reacting, what the price action is at that, and the behavior on that time frame. Right, that's when I look for my entries. All right, on the 1-hour, we see we don't need to refine it very much more because you can see the order blocks within the 4-hour. So now I'm just looking how price is reacting over here. All right, we did come up here, crash back down below that line where the 4-hour order block begins, and we find ourselves with rejection. We find ourselves looking for exhaustion in this impulse. All right, what exhaustion signs usually forewarn or give us a heads up that price is probably getting ready to reverse. Okay, so that's what we're looking for. Rejection. We're looking for where price is having trouble getting up higher, getting higher. Okay, and we have lower highs forming here, so we're forming a wedge of some kind, and we'll see if the resistance will hold here and give us that arrow down like I had earlier. I like my down arrows to be red. Okay, so that's where we are. That's the update. I hope you benefit from this, and I hope the analysis holds so that I don't lose credibility. All right, I will see you in my next video, and I hope you are enjoying your weekend.